Today we're going to use the FTP file transfer program, FileZilla, to transfer a web page that we created last time. We're going to transfer it onto the server, and we're going to use the website webandsoftwarelearn.com, in which this video can be found. So you can get this download this FileZilla program from download.com. It's a free program. We discussed a little bit on using download.com in one of the previous videos, in case you want to look at it. So what we can do is we can type in the name of the host, for example, webandsoftwarelearn.com in here, the username, and also the password, and go quick connect, and it'll connect us to the site. Alternatively, it's usually easier if you first set up a new site through the site manager. So you click on this icon on the left, top left corner here, right under File. It opens the site manager window, and you can type in your host, the server type. It's an FTP, file transfer protocol. We want to change it to normal because we want to be able to type in our username as well as the password. So you can just delete these two lines and then type in your username and password, and then go OK, and then it'll save it. I've previously saved the information for Web and Software Learn. So once you've done that and went OK and saved it, it'll be in here. You'll have a choice of what you want to connect to. You just click on this arrow right to the right of that icon. So we're going to connect to Web and Software Learn, and right now it's connected, as you can see down here. We're going to create a new folder. We'll simply call this folder Test. And so one thing is that you can actually move these windows up and down. You can move these bars. It's up to you how big you want them relative to the other windows. So that's what these bars are for. You can use your mouse to drag them up and down to make them the size that you desire. Next, we've transferred the file that we created last time, which we put under My Documents. So these two windows up here are for general navigation, and these two windows down here are for actually looking in more detail at your files. So we're going to transfer the test file that we created last time, the test HTML file, onto the test folder. So you simply just drag it with your mouse onto here. And it says up here that the file transfer was successful. We'll double click. Yeah, we should be able to open it. Yes. Okay, so yes, we double clicked on it, and now it's opened the folder. And as you can see, it's successfully transferred onto the website. If, for example, we accidentally delete this file here on our computer, we can actually drag the file that we've saved onto our server onto our own computer, and now it's saved it again. If we want to select more than one file, you just create a box with your mouse, and it'll highlight several files that you can drag into here. You can, if you have a single file, you should also be able to double click, and it should download it onto the desktop too. So let's try that. Let's delete this first. And then let's double click. And yes, it successfully transferred it to. Files transfer successful. Down here is also notes some of the activity of what's going on. So therefore, you can both upload files onto your server as well as download them onto your computer. It's a very convenient way to do that. So thank you for your interest, and see you next time. We will, next time, hopefully we can talk about how to open our files. And we'll try to use the web program of Mozilla Firefox. Just one quick note is that sometimes you can get disconnected from the server for no reason. So in this case, what you do is you just try to reconnect again. So it asks you if you want to break the current connection, and we want to because we want to try connecting again. So we go yes, and it tries to connect again, and it's successful in connecting again. So sometimes you might need to connect back again if for some reason it gets disconnected. Thank you for listening. See you soon.